You have any enemies there? You ever take any, like, anyone's client?
No, everybody has their own client. Everybody has their own people. This song was in Shrek, remember?
Song is in a lot of things.
But mainly I remember it from Shrek.
Dude, Shrek was a dope movie, man.
Yeah.
That's one of my faves. It's an instant classic. Would you say you're religious?
What the hell, yes?
Like a devout Catholic, or just like kind of okay, just like kind of easy Catholic, easy going?
Easy going.
Easy going. So you don't like judge other people for their beliefs?
No. Why should I?
Do you think there's a heaven and a hell?
Yeah.
Do you believe in demons?
Yeah.
Do you believe in angels?
Yeah.
Do you believe that you're blessed or that you're cursed? Or that you're just like somewhere between? You believe that you're blessed?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Blessed because look what I'm driving.
Damn, you got that Tesla though.
I think
dope.
everything I have is a blessing, don't you think? Like I have a job, I'm healthy, I drive a nice car.
That's awesome.
I wouldn't be able to have anything of this if I wasn't like healthy. I wouldn't be able to work.
Bro, tiger. You definitely strike me, my dude. Come at me.
I'm blessed, definitely.
Do you practice gratitude?
Yeah.
Like regularly? Like first thing in the morning?
Yeah. Hello?
¿Dónde estás?
I'm on my way by
Yo! What's up, dude?
¿Por qué me hablaste?
to see if you had all the papers.
Yeah, I have all the paper.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
That's all. All right, bye.
Bye. Motherfucker!
What the fuck just happened?
What?
Bro,
Bro,
this is a weird as hell, man.
what's going on?
Like your phone call and my sister's phone call, like in their speed talking to you both at the same time. It's
He
fucking
thinks
weird.
he thinks he's calling you.
Oh shit!
Adam is with me.
Oh,
Got him!
that's funny.
Hey.
It's because he got at the house and I was like, I'm going to with Armando. You want to come?
Aesthetic beast. We think 70 miles per hour. Whoa. Too bad we can't get full stride up here. I'm just getting a video of my life.
You gonna become a YouTuber now?
Yeah. What's up, Armando? Say hi to my 3 subscribers.
You have 3 subscribers?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm pretty sure you're one of them.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
damn. That's something that I have to put in my
Hello. to the wildebeest? Dope. Cool stretch, bro. Oh, zebras. So cute. The striped horse. Fucking hate. What could be as you choose to spread? Oh, so majestic. This is up. There we go. What do you think that your purpose on this planet is?
I love gains, bro.
Well, they vary because of the color. So if the platinum is going to be more.
Do you pray? Do you pray to God?
3 times a week.
3 times a week? Are you a God-fearing man? Do you fear God, or do you love God, or do you think that fearing God is a necessary prerequisite to loving God?
I don't know.
Do you have any regrets in life?
Everybody has regrets.
What kind of regrets? Be specific.
You know what I can do for you?
Yes.
Preserves his energy by barely moving.
Touched my heart, you touched my soul. Changed my life and all my goals.
Proclamate.
Love is blind and I
5,000
knew.
pounds.
My heart was blinded by you. Have kissed your lips and held your head. Shared your dreams and shared your bed. I
A
know
wild
you
Armando
well.
hunts for stones.
I've been addicted to
Watch as he measures each particular aspect of this stone against other stones.
you. Have been the one.
Proclamate.
That's crazy.
You have been the one.
This is $6. This is $1.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for
There you go.
me.
What do you think that your purpose on this planet is?
I love gains, bro.
When I wake, you can't break my spirit. It's my dreams you take, and as you move.